Class 11. Today I came with topic thermodynamics, chapter thermodynamics. Topic is different types of PV work. As already I have told you in my previous video that how to find out the expression for PV work, that you have already done. Now today I will discuss about different types of work you will come across. So first one is isophoric process. What is the work done in isophoric process? Isophoric process means the volume is going to remain constant. Isophoric means volume constant. So if the volume is going to remain constant, then what is the formula for work done? Minus P external delta V. This is the formula. So volume constant means delta V is going to remain constant. Delta V is 0. Volume constant means delta V is 0. If delta V is 0, that means work done is 0. So it is equal to minus P external into 0. That means 0. So that means I am getting in isophoric process work done is 0. Okay. Now next one is isobaric process. Isobaric process means what? Isobaric means pressure is constant. Isobaric. So formula of work done, W equal to minus of P external delta V. This is the formula. It should be used where pressure is constant. Isobaric process means where pressure is constant. There this formula is going to be remain used. Actually, if the pressure is not going to remain constant, that is reversible change. In case of thermodynamics, you have learned about reversible change. So, in case of reversible change, this formula is not the actual formula for work done. For reversible change, the formula for work done is written as minus of P external dV integration V1 V2, because there is a very small change in pressure in lots of steps. That is, it is a very slow process. In various steps the changes are going on. The change in pressure is very small in amount. So as the change in pressure is occurring, so similarly the change in volume is also occurring. So change in volume is occurring very small, that is dV. So where the pressure is not constant, it is changing very little, that is reversible change. There we are going to use this formula. Actually this is the basic formula that should be used for isothermal process, adiabatic process, for all kind of process. Now come to isothermal reversible process. Isothermal reversible process. Now isothermal means what? Temperature is constant. Isothermal means what? Temperature constant. That is known as isothermal. Now we know that this is the formula for work done. What is the difference between P external and P internal in isothermal reversible process? P internal and P external, actually there is a very small change, that is P external is equal to P internal plus minus dP. You can write this one. dP means very small change, that is in each step the change is occurring very small. So in case of reversible change, P external can be written as P internal plus minus dP. P external can be little more than P internal, it can be little less than P external. So in this case, as there is very less difference between P internal and P external, let it be P external. Now in ideal gas equation we know, according to ideal gas equation, PV equal to nRT. This we have studied earlier in the gas equation. According to ideal gas equation, PV equal to nRT. We know that. But here in ideal gas equation, equation, P is taken as what? Pressure, internal pressure. Pressure of the gas we take as P. So gas means in the thermodynamic system, suppose a gas is taken inside a container, so the inside pressure or internal pressure should be taken this one. But as we have learned that in thermodynamics, in a reversible process, P external and P internal is near about same. That is, there is very less difference between P external and P internal. Only dP means very small change. So instead of P, I can write P external here. I can write P external into V equal to nRT. So from here I can write P external equal to nRT by V. From here I can write P external equal to nRT by V. Now this value of P will be substituted here. It is isothermal reversible process. So work done is what? Work done is minus of P external V1 V2 dV. This is the work done for isothermal reversible process. So in case of P external, I will write nRT by V. So what I am getting? W equal to minus of nRT by V into dV. Now as I know that nR is constant here and it is isothermal process, so T is also constant. So what can I write? I can change it as minus of nRT V1 V2 dV by V. This can be my equation. nRT I have taken outside because all these are constant term. And integration in between V1 V2 dV by V. To remove the integration sign, what I have to do? I have to write ln V2 by V1. Okay. Now to remove ln means log E, log base exponent. To remove ln, to convert it into log base 10, we have to multiply it by 2.303. So what will be my equation? My equation is minus 2.303 nRT log of V2 by V1. Understood? Now when we will get numerical questions, sometimes it has been seen that volume term is not there in the question. The question is there in terms of pressure. So how to find out that one? For that we can apply Boyle's law. You have learned earlier. According to Boyle's law, let me rub little bit. This portion I am rubbing. According to Boyle's law, we know that P1 V1 equal to P2 V2. This one we know. So from here, V2 by V1 equal to P1 by P2. V2 by V1 equal to P1 by P2. This I know. So the same equation can be written in terms of pressure also. How to write it? So work done in case of isothermal reversible process can also be written in terms of pressure, that is minus of 2.303 nRT log of P1 by P2. This can also be written. Okay, so I hope I have explained you the various ways to find out the work done using different formulas. Please go through it, watch the video, try to understand. It is very clear. I hope that there will be no problem. So based on these equations, there may be numericals in your book that you have to solve. So thank you for today.